In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Guard in Steam. Before we begin, a quick note for context. Steam Guard is Steam's built-in extra layer of protection that helps keep your account secure by asking for verification when you sign in from new devices. Disabling it lowers your security, so only proceed if you understand the risks and truly need to turn it off, for example during specific troubleshooting or when using a trusted setup. Start by opening the Steam desktop application on your computer and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the official Steam client and that your internet connection is stable, since we'll need to receive a verification email in a moment. Once you're signed in, look to the top left corner of the Steam window. Click the Steam menu, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the main settings panel where you manage account and app preferences. In the Settings panel, select the Security section on the left. This page is where Steam groups sign-in and protection options for your account. Here, find the Steam Guard area and click Manage Steam Guard. This will open the controls that govern whether Steam Guard is active. Now, select the option to turn off or disable Steam Guard. The wording may vary slightly, but it will clearly indicate that you're disabling the feature. Steam will ask you to confirm this choice. As part of that confirmation, Steam sends a verification email to the address linked to your account to make sure the request is legitimate. Open your email inbox and look for a new message from Steam. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a minute or two, refresh your inbox, and check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the message, open it and click the button labeled Disable Steam Guard. This click is required to confirm the change. After you've confirmed through the email, return to the Steam client. The security page should now reflect that Steam Guard is turned off. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.